Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I...
What's up, Diamond Squad? It's your good night, Diamond, and I'm back here with another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on the notification on so you miss anything I post. And that's why I need to be part of Diamond Squad. Let's go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go and watch my recent videos. I will leave them up in the cards and towards the end of the video. So make sure you guys go and check them out. Also, subscribe to my other two channels, Life with Sanaya and The Daughter of Israel. The link to those are in the description box down below. So go and subscribe to them. Go check out the videos on there and all that good stuff. So basically a video should be up on the Daughter of Israel channel by the time this video is out. A video should be up on the Daughter of Israel channel. So be sure to subscribe and all that good stuff. So today I'm doing a lipstick try on video. So I have here are the new Juvia's Place lipsticks. They did come out with glosses and lip liners, but these are the only things I got at the moment. I do want more of the lipsticks from them and the glosses, but these are the only ones I got, which is Coca, Toffee, and 2020. These are $14 each. Let me see. And they are cruelty free, so, and an 18-month shift life. And yeah, so basically what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting all of them on my lips so y'all can see how it looks. And then to the end of the video, I'm going to talk about like how I like it, how it feels, and all that good stuff. But before I start with that, I'm going to quickly show you guys something real quick. Alright guys, so here are my I Heart Revolution glosses. I have milk chocolate and toffee right here, and then I have toffee right here. So toffee in this package, I'm gonna see which one it really looks close to as a lip gloss. If it could come out the box. Alright, gosh, can this thing come out the box? I'm literally struggling to get anything out the box. Like, what the hell? Okay, let me take it out the other way from the other side of the box and see if that works. I didn't even want to... Oh, alright, so I have it out. So, here's toffee. So, I feel like it kind of looks close to this, but it's not exactly on spot. And here's the toffee in this. So, yeah, definitely different, I would say. I thought it was similar to this. So, I was so happy. I was like, yes, I get the lipstick and I got the lip gloss version. Nah, it's not even that. Like, but anyways, without further ado, enough talking, and let me go ahead and try these on for you guys. So, yeah. Alright guys, so that is all of the lipsticks on me. I like how all of them look on me, especially this brown. I know it's kind of look messy a little bit, but I don't got no makeup wipes, so I just use paper to take off the others. But yeah, I really love it. The formula is really nice. It feels very moisturizing on the lips, which I love. And because I have tried the 2021 already, one thing I can say, when you do have these on your lips for a couple of hours, it does like dry on your lips, but it feels very lightweight on your lips when it's dry. Like it dries matte, so it feels very lightweight, which I like about that. But yeah, y'all let me know which of these did y'all like on me. And yeah, so this was just a quick short video on these lip products. I highly recommend you guys trying them because they are good. Love them. And yeah guys, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the notification if you haven't, find me on my social media, description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.
Christian Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I